I want to learn how to create a bullet list in document. Tutorial is for you. So I'm on a Google document file. So the first thing you want to do is I have my favorite fruit. You want to move the cursor to the line in which you want to start the list, right? So once you move the cursor there, then come to the bulleted list feature or icon here. Then click on it. Once you click on it, you will see this, list bullet in action. You can start typing mango. Then you click enter to create another bullet list and type apple. Then you click on enter and type watermelon. Click on enter, you can type orange. You can click enter, you can type lemon. So this is basically how you create bullet list in Moodle. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.